friends, good evening, and welcome to today's video. It is currently Wednesday, and it is 6 o'clock, and tomorrow is an exciting day because I'm getting a new fridge! Woo! It's been needed for a very, very long time. I'm gonna adjust the angle there. Okay, there we go. It's been needed for a very, very long time. And so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I clean off and clean out the old fridge and get the new one, and then I'm going to film organizing the new fridge and cleaning it, and it's just gonna be a fun little video. So, with that said, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys later. So, I think I'm going to go ahead and take out my meats and take them to the mini fridge, just so that this is taken care of, and I will clean out what's in the fridge part tomorrow morning and put it in the cooler that I have. So, I'm gonna get to doing this and talk to you guys in a minute. Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. I'm gonna film this little weekend in my life because I was originally supposed to film, you know, getting my new fridge and organizing it and all that stuff, but I have to do construction because the fridge does not fit in the current hole that is there by like literally a centimeter. So I have, you know, some construction things to figure out. So, I mean, I'm still gonna film like getting like the containers from the container store and stuff, but I don't think it's gonna be ready by the time I need to post this video. So we're gonna make another video. So today is Saturday. I just got back. I took Stella to the vet this morning for her first checkup. And yeah, my mom is coming today. She's going to be visiting for 2 weeks, and that's going to be fun. Today's agenda is we're going to go to Orlando, and we're going to see, you know, what kind of things we can get into there. We're going to, of course, go to the container store for the fridge and stuff, and then we're also going to probably head to Disney Springs and get the new Magic Band Plus, because we are going to be going to Disney while she's here, and they just started doing the Magic Band Plus, and I would like her to experience them. So, yep, with that said, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Gonna get some Halloween decor hunting done. Hopefully, maybe we can find my Home Goods Holy Grail at the Orlando location. At one of the Orlando locations. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you guys later. I've decided to move the fridge into the living room, temporarily, more like dining room. I'm eventually going to get rid of the wall that it's on, but I need a fridge, and it works better in this space than in the middle of my kitchen. So, I'm going to stock it up. We bought all these groceries, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, so it has been a few days since I last filmed for you guys. It's now Tuesday. We went shopping over the weekend, and I really didn't get a lot of footage, especially at Disney. Like, I didn't film at all. So I don't even really know if this video even makes sense, but I wanted to give you guys a haul of everything that I bought that wasn't Halloween. As you know, I'm going to be doing a big Halloween haul at the end of my Halloween decor hunting season, right before I start decorating. So, with that being said, let's get started. I got these yard eggs at Joann's for 75% off. I already have a few of these and needed to pick up some more, so we got some of those. Hi, Nancy. Hey, girl. And then also on sale, I don't remember what percent off these were. I believe they were 70% off. And I got these little vases, whatever you want to call them. They're like holographic, iridescent, pearlized, whatever you want to call that. And I got 2 of those, also from Joann's. Got this one too. Then, while at Joann's, we found this super cute doormat. I'm pretty sure I don't have a doormat that's for like May specifically, so we picked up that. Then we went to Tuesday morning and got myself some little bins for the new fridge. So this is a little berry bin. We've got some regular fridge bins, some bigger ones, and then a produce keeper. This will be good for like leafy greens or celery or whatever. Pluto. So now let's do a Disney haul. This bag is from the Disney outlet, and on this side of the pillow is Pluto and Mickey, and this side has Season's Greetings. It's a cute little Christmas pillow. And let's see, it was on sale. I don't remember how much it was. Also from the discount store. Oh, Pluto, honey. Pluto, no. Pick a different toy. Pick a different toy. Also from the discount store, we have Valentine, Mickey, and Minnie. And they're like magnetic, so they make a little heart, and they also could break apart, but super cute. This was like the score, because they never ever have above a size XL at the outlet stores, but this is a 3X and it fits perfectly. Pluto, honey, stop shaking the camera. Anyway, so we have this, and it's super cute, and I'm gonna wear it soon. Also, from the discount Disney store, outlet, whatever you want to call it, we have some Gus Gus and Jack Jack rubber spatulas. I also found Lumiere and Cogsworth. Then I also got this Steamboat Willie little card holder. I like taking these into the parks instead of my like regular wallet. Then this is from just Disney Springs. They did have this shirt at the outlet, but they didn't have any of the bigger sizes. They just had smalls and mediums, I believe. And so I went into Disney Springs and found it. It's this cute orange bird top. Let's see. And then some other things that I got that I can't really show. I got a new rug for the living room, and I got some shelving for my garage, and some fans because it is super hot here in Florida, and my air conditioner stopped working. So yeah, that's my like haul of everything that I've gotten so far this week. Of everything that I got this weekend. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed following along with me over the last few days. I've had a lot of fun with my mom, and tomorrow we're going to Disney, so that's going to be super fun. I might get a few clips of that for another vlog, but I wanted to end this one here, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry that this vlog is kind of like a mishmash of like just random clips. It started off as one thing and has become another, and it's all confused, and I'm confused. Chaotic energy. But, you know, it's fine. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys again next week for another video. Bye, guys.
Living life every day.